So,
We are from India team. So, where did you guys come from? Hyderabad, right? And how did you like performing here? Have you performed in other colleges before?
Yeah, we did most of the colleges being Triple IT, IIT, BITS, and NIT.
How did it feel like performing in MIT?
Every gig was a learning experience of different crowds, trying to understand what they like, the music, what genre they
What did
listen
you
to.
think about in Manipal's club?
how is Manipal different?
It's cool, it's cool. We would love to come here once again. Yeah,
With
that's
some better stuff. Yeah, means it's like it was like we had it almost, but the crowd was
You couldn't
somewhere.
relate it. To the crowd or something.
Exactly.
there is some connecting point where you get connected to the crowd. Okay, your page and the crowd's page, you both on the same page, and they start voting on your music. I think we have figured it out what they like, what they don't. So yeah, we'll be coming up next time. We'd love to perform here again.
We love to see you again.
See you again.
Yeah, good crowd, great campus, man.
Out
I
of-
would love to study here.
Yeah, campus. Out of personal interest, Shubham wanted to know how did you start off your career? In
How did beatboxing get
Alright,
into?
it basically
because
started.
he's very interested. He just wants to know.
Alright, okay. So it was like post 2 months after he started, I've started. So it was like we usually meet up a spot that's called the secret spot.
Okay.
Where a bunch of
It's what?
you get to know soon, man. So I used to look at him. I keep doing events and stuff. So I brought him into the picture, and slowly we both start kicking off events and shit. So
He
that's how.
doesn't seem to agree with the fact that you got him in the picture.
No, it's like we collectively. There are a lot of expressions, man.
Yeah, I just.
Probably he might be relating to some stuff. Cool. Anyways, yeah. You got to say something?
Peace, love you.
We've got to say that there was some time we didn't actually we couldn't say it was an instrument or it was someone actually beatbox. It was a beatboxing thing. The dubstep.
That's what we
Really
just
got
sort of
con-
lost in the transition. Like, see, Manipal crowd actually loves to party. To have you back and give us more Red Bull.
We love the Red Bulls and
Gives you wings, man.
gives us wings. Okay,
Is that the
so
only thing giving you wings right now, or there's
A
something
lot
else?
of factors which we don't like.
we love to see you again. Okay, thank you so much. Peace.